really quick and address how to put the Grad Cap on and kind of have it a little bit more stable. You have the cap. It looks like this when it's installed, of course. Now, there's a space in the middle for the headband to kind of click around in there. You can move it to place it kind of wherever you need to make it fit the best on your head. Start with it in the middle like this. And when I put it on, make sure that you're putting it on top of your head, parallel to the ground. If you try to put it on the back of your head, gravity is gonna get you and it's gonna pull it off. So once you get it on, you can see kind of through my hair where the headband is. And it feels okay. I can move around. But if I want it like a little snug, the trick is to push the headband up in those clicks a little bit, and you'll kind of feel it get tighter as it goes toward the wider part of your head, and that feels really snug for me. Just kind of take the headband and push it up against the insert in there, and it fits just like that. It's not going anywhere. I can walk, I can move my head, I can look down. Now backwards again, it's a little difficult to look too far up backwards because gravity will take it away from you.